Welcome to your Tech Logics. Today, we're excited to unbox and showcase the features of the Hikvision DS-2CE70D0T-PTLTS. This is a 2MP fixed PT camera with two-way audio support, delivering high-quality video surveillance along with seamless communication. Its sleek design makes it suitable for a variety of security setups. What makes this camera stand out is its ability to support two-way talk over the same cable used for HD analog video, eliminating the need for extra wiring or additional devices. When connected to a Hikvision DVR, it offers a fully integrated solution for real-time audio and video monitoring, perfect for both home and business security. Now, let's get started with unboxing the camera. The package comes with everything you need for easy installation, including mounting screws and a drill template. These help ensure you can securely attach the camera to your desired location. Additionally, you'll find a quick user manual that provides step-by-step guidance, a wall mount bracket for flexible positioning, and the pan and tilt 2MP HD camera itself, ready to enhance your security setup. Let's take a look at the top 5 features of this camera. First, it offers excellent imaging capabilities with a 2MP resolution, ensuring clear and detailed video footage. The Full HD 1080p quality provides high-resolution images that are ideal for accurate monitoring and security purposes. The camera is equipped with up to 20 meters of white light distance, providing bright illumination that ensures clear and detailed night vision. This feature allows it to capture sharp images even in the darkest environments, making it ideal for 24/7 surveillance. Thanks to this powerful white light, the camera can record in full color during nighttime, offering a more accurate and reliable view of your surroundings. This ensures comprehensive security coverage with vivid, color-rich footage around the clock. The built-in microphone offers high-quality audio for clear sound capture, effective within a range of up to 5 meters. With support for audio over coaxial cable, it enables seamless two-way communication through a single connection, making it ideal for effective interaction within that distance. The camera also features a built-in speaker, allowing for clear two-way audio communication. Combined with the microphone, it provides a complete audio solution within a range of up to 5 meters, making real-time conversation easy and effective through a single coaxial connection. The camera offers impressive flexibility with its ability to rotate the lens both vertically and horizontally. It supports a pan range of 0 degrees to 350 degrees and a tilt range of 0 degrees to 100 degrees, allowing users to cover a wide area and adjust the viewing angle as needed. This extensive movement capability ensures that you can monitor your surroundings with maximum coverage and precision. All of these advanced features can be conveniently controlled remotely via the Hik-Connect app. Whether you're at home or away, you can easily adjust the camera's position, view live footage, and manage your security system from anywhere, making your surveillance setup both flexible and accessible. Note, this model supports two-way audio only when used with the latest version of compatible DVRs or HVRs, such as the DS-7104H GHI-M1/T. Please ensure that your DVR or HVR is compatible with the two-way audio feature to enjoy seamless communication capabilities. If you found this helpful, please support us by liking, sharing, or subscribing. Your support helps us create more valuable content. Thank you for being part of our community.